Wasim Shamara, URK18 CS218. I'm going to explain about experiment 7. Experiment 7 is about reader writer problem and producer consumer problem. In reader writer problem, uh, e- the object is that we will share the file for multiple processes, in which some of the processor are readers. They only want to read the data from the object, and some of the processors are writers. They only want to write into the objects. The reader writer problem is used to manage synchronization, so there is no problem in the data we have written or we have read. Here we can see that. Now let's check the program. Here in reader writer problem, we will use the header files hash include IO stream, hash include semaphore.h, hash include pthread.h, hash include bytes std c++.h using namespace std semt wrt max int cnt equal to 1. We'll consider int cnt equal to 1, int number reader equal to 0, void write, void wnO. We are using the void which we can in which we can say the we will not able to will not able to in void. It is not int, it is void, so that we cannot able to again pass the message in user. Int I equal to int wnO, cnt equal to cnt into 2, count reader I times and modify count to count. Some post is writer, void read. Now we are going to read. We have completed the write program. Now we are going to read. Void read, void rno int I equal to int rno. Then num, we are increasing the reader, num reader plus plus. If num reader is equal to 1, then some weight is written as wrt, post is max, count reader is count reader I times read count as cnt. Then num reader minus minus. If num reader is equal to 0, then semforce wrt, semforce max pthread exists int. Now we are going to main program. Int pthread reader is 10, writer is 5. Sem int it max 0 comma 1, sem int it max 0 writer 0 comma 1, int r 10 w5. For loop, we are using the for loop. For int I equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, r of I equal to I plus 1. We are using the for loop. For I equal to 0, I is less than 5 and I plus plus, w of I is equal to I plus 1. We have given for write program and we have given for read program. Then we are again using the for loop. For int I equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, pthread join read I null. Then pthread join read I null. After we will do some destroy max, some destroy writer return. User defined program. Now let's check the output. Here we can see the output for reader. Here we can observe, and for writer, modify count to 4, modify count to 2, count to 16, 32. This is all about the reader writer program. The next one is producer and consumer problem. The producer consumer problem is a synchronized problem. There is a fixed size buffer and the producer produce items and enter them into the buffer. The consumer removes the item from the buffer and consumes them. Now we should check the program for this process. Then for this process, the program is the header files are hash include IO stream, hash include semaphore.h, hash include pthread.h, hash include st library lib.h using namespace std. Here we are using int variables. Int multiply equal to 1, full equal to 0, empty equal to 5 and x equal to 0. Int weight equal to int s. We are not using the void, we are using the int in user defined program. So we can return from main menu. Then return s. int signal int s, return plus plus s here. Void producer, we are now we are doing the process for producer. Multex equal to wait multex, full equal to signal full, empty equal to wait empty, x plus plus. Cout producer produce the items x. Multex equal to single multex. Now we will do for consumer, the same process is repeated. Void consumer multex equal to wait multex, full equal to wait full, empty equal to signal empty, count cout, consumer consumes items x minus minus. Here we will do minus minus because we will remove the items from here we will remove the items. In producer we will add the items. Multex equal to single multex. Now we will go to the main menu. Int main, int n, producer consumer exit. We are using while 1 cout, enter your choice, c in n. Switch loop, switch statement, switch n. Case 1 is if multex equal to 1 and empty is not equal to 0. Multex should be equal to 1 and empty is not equal to 0. Then producer, else buffer is full. The next one, if multex equal to 1 and full is not equal to 0. If multex equal to 1 and full is not equal to 0, then consumer, else buffer is empty. In case 3, exit. This is all about the experiment producer consumer. Now let's check the output. Here let's give 1. Producer produce the items 1. Producer produce the items 2. Producer produce the items 3. Producer produce the items 4. Now let's check the 2. Consumer consumes the item 4 because here we have the last item is the 4. Then again we'll give the last item. After deleting the 4th item, the last item will be remain 3. So the consumer consumes the 3rd item. Now buffer is empty because there is the consumer decreases from 4 3 to 1 and there is no. If we give 3, it is exit. This is all about the experiment 7, producer consumer and read write program. Here we can observe. This is all about the experiment 7. Thank you.